burger. From Co-op. And moms and dads over the world, you get home from school, you can do this. It's so easy. And fast, super healthy, and fresh ingredients, locally sourced. Love this place. So good. Easy cooking. Even you can eat. I'm 6. I can do it. You can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Woo! Hi everybody, it's Sawyer from Just Like Us, and I can't wait to be with you guys. Today I am back. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be doing easy cooking Zesty Chicken Burgers. So now we're going to open this beauty up. So this is what it looks like. Okay, everyone? So Zesty Chicken Burger is cooking. I'm just going to rip it, guys. I'm just going to rip it. Oh wait, that doesn't count. I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm just checking. So this is what we got. So we got some potatoes. I don't know where my third one went. I don't know. We got a tomato too. We got lots of different kinds of sauces here. Lots. We got some chicken. Got some other stuff. We got this kind of stuff. I don't know what it's called.
Mixed greens.
Mixed greens. Green onions. So my dad cut all of this for me, and it's all laid out in place for me. It's gonna be someplace. First things first, we're gonna preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, that's hot. So this set comes to feed 2 people at a time. And those people who are going to get fed is me and my dad. I'm holding the instructions. It walks you right through it, start to finish. And I can do it. I am 6. We got sugar, mayo, lemon pepper, and sour cream. The mixed greens and tomato are going to get put on at the end. So we lay this out for it's easy for me, but we can just put everything together and we know everything is. So we have cut these potatoes into even little wedges. Now we're gonna lay them on this pan with this kind of paper thing, and then we're gonna drizzle this all over, and then we're gonna put on some lemon seasoning on it. Good. Now we are going to drizzle this Co-op olive oil all over. Now we are going to sprinkle this lemon pepper all over it. Only half. There. Now we're going to put these in the oven for 22 minutes. I'm heating this canola oil into our pan to fry my chicken. And I'm going to season my chicken with salt and pepper. Salt, just a little pinch, and this is special kind. Now some pepper. There we go. Now we're going to lay these beauties on our frying pan. We've laid them on, and they're quite thin, so they're only going to take roughly 4 minutes per side. It's been 4 minutes. Now we're going to flip these over. I see some pretty good brown and white under it when I check it. we're gonna squirt this in here. There we go. Guys, smoking over here, guys. Woo! I love lemons. Not sour to me. Now we're gonna make the sauce, folks. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so first sour cream. Get in there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put all this lemon pepper in here. Now we're gonna do mayo. I cracked it. I'm gonna take a little lick of the sugar before I put it in. That's good. Now we're gonna put a little bit of chives and a little bit of this dill. I sometimes forget names of stuff. No, I am a mini chef. A little tiny bit. You don't need to put this, but my family likes it, and so do I. Now just a little bit of lemon. I put a lot of lemon. There's some seeds in there. I'm gonna grab that out. So now we're gonna whisk this baby. It's pretty good. It tastes like ranch, so it's essentially a homemade ranch. Why I love food, it is awesome. It gives me a little connection to my personality. Time to assemble our burger. Woo! First, we're gonna put a nice ranch on the bottom front. My mom is gonna love this, and so is my dad. Okay, there we go. It's on the bun. Now we are going to put our tomato. 3. Now some of this green onion. Oh yeah. That's tall. It's so tall. There we go. Woo! I love this burger. That tastes so good. Oh man, it's so good, guys, so good. We took our potato wedges out of the oven, laid them on the side, and here's a perfect dinner for 2. Voila, be that, cavity germs. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you can watch again. Don't forget, this video is on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe for our videos. And if Co-op's watching right now, thank you Co-op so much. You can pick these babies up at Winkler Morning Co-op. They prepare them, you bring them home and cook them. Exact ingredients, no guessing. Playing sports, this will be healthy and good for you to eat before you do it. Especially for soccer, that's the best of sport, and hockey. That's the best of sport. But you! Oh no! I got it.